Katie Price showed off her new boobs on a jet ski in Thailand just days before splitting with her fiancé Carl Woods. The former glamour model, 43, was snapped in the water riding the jet ski during her glamorous trip to Thailand with her now ex-fiancé, Carl, 32. 5. Katie Price showed off her new boobs while jet skiing in ThailandCredit, BackGrid. Katie's newly boosted assets could not be missed as she cruised in the sea in colourful, flower print string bikini. The mom of 5 wore her hair in box braids and later put on an orange life jacket for safety. In December, Katie underwent liposuction, had fat removed from her bum, and had a breast lift at the B clinic in Brussels. Katie and car salesman Carl are now back in the UK, but their romance of almost 2 years came to a sudden and abrupt end. Carl dumped the mom of 5 last week after he claimed to pals she had been cheating on him. The former Page 3 model was ignored by Chris when she used her teenage daughter Princess's account to send the messages. A source said, Katie was messaging Chris when she was telling everyone she was madly in love with Carl. He never replied to her though. She used Princess's Instagram account to send him messages. When she sent them, she told Chris it was her and that she was using the account so Carl couldn't see what she was doing. In the messages, Katie was flirting and asked Chris if he wanted to meet with her secretly. Chris Rep declined to comment when approached by The Sun. Katie has been contacted for comment. Katie recently took a swipe at Carl in a raunchy OnlyFans video. The 43-year-old wore a £31.99 red baseball jacket and £24.99 cap from Son Harvey's clothing range, both with the large H branding. The model, clad in white fishnet stockings, peels off the jacket to reveal a white bra in the footage. A song plays with the lyrics, "So you need a little breakup, so you need a little space. You think you are bad but I feel bad for you. I was pretty when I met you, now I'm prettier than ever. I took a second to forget you." The mom of 5 is also offering shots of her body for devotees of her £11 a month site who pay an extra £3 a photo. She says of a £4 video I just took with no thong. Katie set up the range of gear for Harvey, who has severe autism, a rare complex genetic condition called Prader-Willi syndrome, and is partially blind, after struggling to find him stylish clobber. 5. Katie wore her hair in box braids and a life jacket for safety. Credit, BackGrid. 5. Katie had her biggest boob job ever in Brussels before heading to ThailandCredit, YouTube/@KatyaPrice. 5. It was Katie's 14th boob job after spending years of going under the knife. Credit, YouTube. 5. Katie is back in the UK and split from fiancé Carl Woods. Credit, Instagram. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.